Today I will show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to manage site settings inside Google Chrome. This includes controlling your location, camera, microphone, notification and more. First I open Google Chrome from my desktop. Once Chrome opened, I went to the top right corner and clicked on the three dots menu. From the drop-down list, I clicked on Settings. The Chrome settings interface opened. From the left side menu, I clicked on Privacy and Security. A new section opened with different privacy options. From here, I clicked on Site Settings. This is the section where you can control what websites are allowed to do. The first option was location, so I clicked on it. Inside location settings, I saw two choices. The first one allows website to ask for your location. The second one blocks all websites from seeing your location. You can choose whichever option you prefer. I then click the back arrow. Next I click on camera. Just like before, I saw options to allow or block website from using my camera. You can adjust these based on your needs. I clicked the back arrow again. Then I clicked on microphone. Again the same type of options appeared. You can let Chrome ask every time, or you can block microphone access completely. After checking the options, I clicked the back arrow. Next, I open the notification settings. Here Chrome lets you control whether websites can send you notifications. Notifications can become annoying, so I choose don't allow, but you can select what's work for you. Then I click the back arrow again. You can also scroll down in the site settings sections to explore more permissions. These include JavaScript, pop-ups, ads, sounds, USB, device automatic downloads, clipboard access and more. Chromes give you full control over every permission for every website. And that's the complete guide. This is how you can manage site setting in Google Chrome to increase your privacy, security and browsing comfort. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss my next tech guide.